What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Pencil A2 by the company Chesona. But before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get to it. So one more quick thing before we actually get started, I just want to say thank you to the company Chesona for sending this to the studio. They sent me this as a gift for doing a review on one of their keyboard cases that I actually love a whole lot. I'll throw a card somewhere on the screen for you guys to check out that video. But thank you to the company Chesona once again for sending this out. I really do appreciate the support. Thank you. Okay, guys, so this should be really quick. Like I said, this is just a pencil for the iPad. Let's take a quick look at the box. Pencil A2 compatible with all iPads 2018 or later. That's what it says on that side as well. On that side, we have some pixel precision, palm rejection, tap the screen, make a quick note, magnetic, and so forth. So let's go ahead and open this up. And then you're greeted with this same thing. It says it's compatible with 2018 iPads or later. And sit that down there. And what you get right here, if I can get this open, is you get a charging cord right here. And nothing else in here. And then you get a little small manual. So we'll toss all of that out of the way real quick. And right here is the actual pencil. You get an extra tip. And this is what it's looking like. So if I'm not mistaken, this looks just like my Switch Easy pencil. So if you tap the top, the light comes on, so that lets you know that it is working. So I'm gonna grab my Switch Easy pencil real quick and let's compare it really fast. So this is my Switch Easy pencil. The difference between the Switch Easy pencil is that it just has this little symbol here, like branding, and this one has nothing. So honestly, to me, they're like the exact same pencil, and I'm pretty sure they work exactly the same. So what I'm gonna do is grab the iPad. I'm gonna write with both of them again. Even though I know how the Switch Easy pencil feels, I'm just gonna write with them both. Just give you guys a little bit of a small comparison, and then we will wrap this video up. So let me grab the iPad really quick. Okay, guys, so we have the iPad here. Here's the A2 pencil. I got my Switch Easy pencil sitting off to the side, as you can see, minus the branding on this one. That lets you know that that's the Switch Easy and this is the A2. So we're just gonna write something real quick. But if you do wanna see a review on both of these pencils, just go and check out the Switch Easy pencil review. I'll put a card somewhere as well. That way you guys can get an idea of both of these pencils, because I honestly think they are the exact same. So let's just go ahead and write something really quick and see if this pen actually works, this pencil actually works. So let's see. Okay. 4, okay. Oh, and there you have it. Look at that. Thanks for watching. Let's see if we can take a screenshot of that. Screenshots work and everything. So as you can see, guys, the exact same pencil to me. I don't think that they are no different. I just think one has the branding on it and one doesn't. I'll try to find a link, because like I said, they sent me this as a gift. I'll try to find a link and put it in the description. I'm sorry, if I can. If I can't, then I'll make sure I put the Switch Easy pencil link in the description. You guys can just grab that one as well. All right, and the last two things I wanted to show you guys was the fact that it does charge. So let me plug this in. Light is off, as you can see. Let me plug this in, and the light turns red, as you can see, meaning that it is charging. And I'm not using the one that came in the box. I'm just connecting it to my external power source, but it's just Type-C, so that works. And the last thing is I want to show you that it is magnetic to the top of the iPad, as you can see, just like the Switch Easy pencil, exactly like the Switch Easy pencil. So I think this would be a great alternative as well as the Switch Easy pencil. So I feel like whichever one you get, you will be okay. So if you see this one and not that one on Amazon or eBay or whatever the case, just know that they feel the same. They write the same and everything, so you won't be disappointed as an alternative to an Apple pencil. All right, guys, so this has been the A2 pencil. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I wanted to just kind of announce that once we hit 500 subscribers on this channel, guys, I will be doing a giveaway for this pencil. So I'm going to keep it stashed up, and once we hit 500 subscribers, just know that there will be a giveaway coming with this pencil. So if you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe. To anybody who's out there that just comes across the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can get this to 500 subscribers so that we can ultimately give this pencil away. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit that little notification bell. That way you can be notified whenever I drop a video on this channel. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.